How to invest your first $100. If you are just starting out or you have saved $100 in a bank and you need to invest this money into something, here is my advice on how you can go about it. This is not a professional advice. You can take it or you can leave it. If you are new here, I want you to smash the subscribe button and like this video to show me some love. The number one advice I'll give you is that you need to invest in yourself. Invest in yourself. This looks so simple and common sense, but most people don't do it. The most important investment you can ever make is to invest in yourself. This is the only investment that can guarantee you 100% returns. Why am I saying this? The better you become, the more money you can make. Every other thing can be stolen from you, but the investment in oneself can never be stolen from you. Most people don't know that money follows competence, courage, and consistency. The better you become, the more money you can make. How do you now invest in yourself? How do you invest in yourself? You can invest in yourself by paying for online trainings, buying financial books to read, attending seminars, paying for courses to get in-depth knowledge about making money. What you need to know is that the world is going digital, so you need to pay to learn from experts on how to leverage the internet. Don't be shocked. Most youth in Ghana now leverage the internet for a living. It has grown rapidly since the lockdown during the COVID-19. You could agree with me that the lockdown during COVID-19 has birthed so many entrepreneurs, especially in Nigeria. Ghanaians are also picking up. You see, I can boldly tell you that if you are not making money from the internet, you are missing a whole lot. Leverage on this golden opportunity called the internet. But you need to pay somebody to learn. If not, you are going to fail in flying colors. I have a mentorship program that will help your finance grow. If you want to join this mentorship program, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Click on the link to register. It's not going to be free. It comes with a fee. So all you need to do is to click on the link in the description below to register. The number two advice I'll give you is that invest in e-commerce business. E-commerce is buying and selling of goods and services over the internet. It involves the use of electronic devices and the internet to conduct commercial transactions, making it a way for businesses and individuals to exchange goods and services. E-commerce business has come to overtaking network marketing and other online businesses. You see, with e-commerce business, all you need to do is to invest your money, and then the company you are investing your money will then sell your products and services for you, and then they will give you your commission at the end of the day. You can also create an e-commerce business or e-commerce website where buyers and sellers meet to transact business. You make commission between the buyer and then the seller without doing anything at all. I love e-commerce business so much. Jack Ma started e-commerce, and then within a short period of time, he's now one of the richest people in the world. He started with Alibaba. I hope we all know Alibaba, one of the biggest e-commerce websites you can think of. There are so many e-commerce businesses. All you need to do is to make inquiries and then join a sustainable one. The number three advice I'll give you is that learn a high income skill. There's a difference between a high income job, a high income profession, and then a high income skill. The first two requires longer time, trainings, and resources. And then the last one can be learned in few months, and then the rewards are equal. Believe it or not, there are programmers who earn a lot more than lawyers. My advice is that learn a high income skill that can help you fetch so much money. If you don't have a high income skill, you will experience high blood pressure. Lack of high income skill is a gateway to high fever. So all you need to do is to invest in courses and trainings. You can take any of my courses on copywriting, where I teach people how to skyrocket their businesses to gain more money. I also have another course, which is the $5 challenge, where you will be able to make $5 every single day after learning this course. I also have another class on graphic designing, where I teach people on how to design. I'll teach you how to design stunning flyers and logos with your smartphone. I also have Teacherpreneur. This is also a skill. It's another course where you learn how to position yourself online and make money whilst teaching others using WhatsApp as a tool. I also have mini importation. This is also a skill.